Tip for installing tiles.
5. Type of grout.
Grout is a powdered cement that must be mixed with water and applied in the joints between the tiles. Unsanded grout lacks sand and is used for small joints up to 1/8 of an inch. Sanded grout contains sand and is used for tiles where joints are larger than 1/8 of an inch. Additionally, caulking should be used where there could be movement between sections. Be sure to look for the label tub and tile or kitchen and bath while avoiding paintable caulking.